Yes, Bahamas. Putting God voice in all things. Bahamas, look at this. Fire all in the road in on the highway in North Andros, Bahamas. We asking all the Haitians that are in the shanty downs in North Andros to vacate because there's fire all over North Andros, Bahamas. Look at this for what it weighs. The fire is moving rapidly down through the vineyard. If you could see, Bahamas, take a look at this. Look at this, Bahamas. Look at this and look at it for what it weighs. This fire ain't easing up. Bahamas, anybody in Creole, make a cry out to these Haitians in North Andros. Look at the fire crossing the other side of the road. Bahamas. Yes, Bahamas. Wow. Oh, man. You have to fly through that one. Bahamas fly, and all right straight down. Going all the way right straight down. Fire all the way through. Wow. Yes, Bahamas. Somebody in Creole, please do a video. Use this video and say in Creole in North Andros for those Haitians to vacate the back of out of the well field because fire's all over the well field, Bahamas. Look at it for what it weighs. Not because they're Haitians, it means that they need to get burned out. Bahamas, look at it, Bahamas. The fire is, wow, tremendous in the back here.
Fire truck.
Oh boy, we need a fire truck. That's somebody's house in the back there. I don't know if it, and it's, wow.
In the backyard.
The fire in the backyard already. And people lights on. If you could see the light in the distance. And that's somebody else right in there. Bahamas, look at it for what it weighs. Somebody in Creole, please. Please let these people know to vacate the pine yard. The pine yard is on fire.
How do you get to this house?
Wow. I know if we could get to this house, we're trying to get to the house. We realize that somebody might be in the house because lights on in the house. That's the corner right there. That's the corner right there.
Fire through the corner.
Yeah, fire up through the corner. I hope we don't be trapping this when we coming out. Bahamas. Reached as far as yet. This is the house, Bahamas. Fire in the back of the yard.
They have holes.
They have holes up in the vineyard. This station fella, Bahamas, the fire is right here in this yard. So any minute this can jump over and come to this house because the way the wind is blowing. Yes, Bahamas, this could come over. Somebody, wow, what the hell is this, boy?
I don't know, it's an explosion.
Some kind of explosion is correct. Wow. Bahamas, we need somebody in Creole. Yeah, they have a water hose in the road.
Very straight.
I don't know, they probably are in the back, they're fighting.